Alright, we are back on Liquid Courage down in Georgetown, South Carolina at the moment. Saturday the 12th. Got some serious wind storms blowing through here today. No chance that we're going to be able to take off. Our plan was to get down to Charleston today, but I don't think that's going to happen. Obviously, they got 40 to 50 mile an hour winds kind of blowing through here, so we are going to hang out here.
All right.
March 12th, Saturday. We got in last night, but Friday last night. Justin brought us in. Looks like the plan was we were going to go to Charleston today, but the wind is blowing 40 to 40 knots, kind of is what it was topping up at. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to motor in with that kind of weather, but yeah, we got the next several weeks to try to get down to the Keys. We'll see how it goes. Alright.
Made our first mistake.
What time we got?
It's 3 minutes to 8. New time.
Alright. 8 o'clock. Sunday morning, the
12th? 13th.
13th, I think. 14th, maybe.
I don't know.
Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
Alright. Away we go. It looks a whole lot smoother than it did yesterday. Looking good.
Georgetown in the rear view. We got Ray at the helm. Finally. Had a little trouble. With the new Axiom 7. It's taking over control of the boat. We're Shanghai.
We're off to start now, so headed to the Winya Bay entrance and then on to St. Mary's. Weather looks good. Favorable current.
Beautiful skies. Beautiful sky.
A lot better looking than it was yesterday. It's blowing 40 to 50. A little too rough to start. I think we got a good one going here. Glad you packed all those shorts now?
Yeah. I got 3 of them on right now. There's gonna be more.
We had one of those little moments where they say sailing is hours of boredom interrupted by moments of stark terror. After hours of being on the boat fairly smooth, had a situation where we had a little accidental jive. I accidentally turned the autopilot off. There's a switch down below. I must have bumped my leg on. Autopilot turned off. We went into a jive and it felt like we hit something. Dad was in the bed napping. We both shot up here to find out that the autopilot had gone. It took a few seconds to figure it out, but yeah, that got the adrenaline pumping good. We got wind blowing, picked up now with probably about 20 knots
18.
now, isn't it? 18 knot wind out here. Seas are starting to build a little bit, but they're at least following. Doing what, 7 knots or so?
Yeah, 7.8 right at the moment.
7-8 under sail. Looking to get into Fernandina Beach tonight about 6 o'clock. It should be able to at the sea buoy. Probably go in, pick up a mooring ball at the marina, and get some crab cakes, man.
Crab cakes.
Yeah. Or lobster. Is that what they're famous for down here? Spiny lobster. Anyway, we'll update as we go, but this is turning out to be a really nice passage so far. Good deal.
Steering's an exercise.
Yeah, we've gotten slack using the auto helm, so you get some good sailing in. It's nice to get a little tiller time. Just outside of Charleston, South Carolina, got a bunch of ships out here that are all anchored, lined up. Get in. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, about 15 of them out here. Pretty good night. Cold. No wind. Got up this morning though. Pretty good seas. Wind has definitely picked back up.
Still motor sailing because we want to make it to Fernandina with favorable tides.
Yeah, everything's going good so far. We had a couple of ships last night we saw. Picked them up on the AIS. So it's kind of nice to see that's working too. Yeah.
Had a dolphin jump up right beside us. I mean, he cleared the water.
Yeah.
I mean, he was 6 feet from the boat. Cleared it twice, and then was gone. I'm sure that was fun for him. Fun for me.
Good deal. We're hoping to get into Fernandina sometime around between 6 and 8, depending on when. But we're going to pick up a mooring ball there. Been out of cell service for some time. Hopefully we're going to get back into it here close. We took the short route across. I think at maximum we're probably about 40 miles offshore. We're now probably about 25 miles offshore, and that'll start shrinking down as we get closer.
Kicking in
all right, good deal. We'll send the selfie cam down the ground. Hey, life on the boat segment. Coming into Fernandina Beach now through the inlet. It's rough. Man, we had a little incident with the an accidental jibe that I got loose in turn 4 and put her in the wall. We have to get that fixed up, but we got to get in first. So